Hi, I'm Joe from Dark Arts Astrophotography, here to tell you about the upcoming July Summer Stargazing Series at the Lennox and Addington County Dark Sky Viewing Area. The site is located at 7980 County Road 41 near Erinsville, Ontario, and is the most southerly point in Ontario that offers a night sky experience very similar to what was available more than 100 years ago. Throughout the summer, we're offering monthly guided tours of the night skies, one weekend per month, weather permitting, on the weekend of the new moon, usually. We've had two successful events to date so far this summer, with our May attendees being treated to one of the most spectacular shows of Aurora Borealis seen in this area in quite a long time. This month's public viewing session will be held on July 21st and 22nd, weather permitting. Sessions will start shortly after 10 p.m., last about 90 minutes, and will feature a laser-guided tour of the summer sky, major constellations, and the Milky Way. July is prime Milky Way season for us at our latitude and will be at its best visibility for the night near the end of our session. Laser tour will be followed by a telescope viewing session where the public will get to look through a telescope. First on the telescope tour list is Saturn. This is the crown jewel of our solar system and is currently in the Milky Way. Its spectacular ring system is well placed for excellent visibility from Earth. Next, we'll be moving on to the Eagle Nebula, a large nebula about 1,500 light years away and towards the core of the Milky Way. This one was made famous by the infamous Hubble photo of the Pillars of Creation, which is a large structure within the nebula. Next, we'll be moving on to the Great Hercules Cluster, which is a large globular cluster in the constellation Lyra. Then we'll be closing out our tour with the Ring Nebula, a planetary nebula in the constellation Lyra. After the session, aspiring dark sky photographers are encouraged to stick around for some tips and tricks on how to shoot the Milky Way. So be sure to bring your camera and your tripod with you so you can take some memorable images of your night under the stars. Also, just a few tips for the evening. Number one, bring bug spray. Very important. There are a lot of mosquitoes this time of year, so please come prepared. Bring a light jacket, wear long pants, and wear enclosed shoes instead of sandals. The less exposed skin you have, the fewer bites you'll receive. Plus, it tends to get cool later on in the night, so if you plan on staying late, that jacket and those long pants will come in handy. Also, bring a chair, preferably a reclining lounge chair, and just kick back and enjoy the night sky. If you have binoculars, then you can absolutely bring them. They'll offer excellent wide field views of many deep sky objects as well as just astounding views of the stars. And remember, only red lights are permitted on the observing pad once the viewing session starts. Please refrain from using flashlights, smartphone lights, or camera flashes, as the bright white light disrupts the eye's dark adaptation. If you have to use your smart device, then please dim your screen low. Of course, we're all slaves to the weather, so these events are only possible if skies are mostly clear. We try to make the yay or nay call before 1 p.m. on the day of the event. If the weather conditions appear unfavorable, the event will be canceled. Before coming, please check the Dark Sky Viewing Area Facebook page for the latest news on whether it's a go or not. Save yourself a drive. You'll be thankful. And remember, our stargazing sessions continue through to September, so come out often and enjoy the night sky the way it was meant to be seen. For the Dark Sky Viewing Area, I'm Joe Gilker.